Hello again. Let me just put this thing away. Okay. Second unboxing. These little cases that you can buy off AliExpress or off eBay. All it is just an assorted box for your dismantled phone. So I thought they were going to be big, but it's not. Let's do a quick measurement as to what the sizes are, and stupidly speaking my measuring tape is not here, so I won't be able to do that, unfortunately. And quite obviously I don't want to, or maybe I should use the digital caliper instead, as daft as it may seem, but a proper digital caliper made by Matatu. This doesn't turn out to be the unboxing of this. Okay, so no messing about. When it comes to tool, no messing about with me. Right, what's the size? Okay. You know, my room is absolutely cramped of stuff. So hopefully this summer I'm going to sort of clear out stuffs that unused, chuck them away, recycle them. Okay, so it is 186 millimeter, so that's about 18.5 centimeter wide. The depth is 9.5 centimeter, and the height is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so that's that. Let's open the compartment. There's two. It seems like there's two compartments. The larger one's at bottom. It's a bit of a struggle. I'm concerned about how long these will last, as you know, this bit, and I hope it does last quite a bit. Only a matter of time will tell. That has a larger compartment, so I'm assuming that you're going to sort of forgive me, I'm only first time I'm using these actually, or I will be using, assuming that you can leave the LCD and the phone and everything underneath, your batteries, whatever. However, on the top compartment, let's open these, they tend to be right, so you got it. Two compartments here. Okay, so you can say, for example, you can leave your board. What else? Little screws, SIM card tray. These are the bits of the phone, so battery could go underneath the under the first compartment. Can go there, and then the rest of the bits and bobs can sit in here. Okay, yeah, probably put them. I can take them out, but I'm not going to bother with them, just to create an impression of what's going on here, basically. So there you go. You could have these little things lying around. These little top slots are going to be for the screw hole, screws and things like that. So you slam it in, close it, it's not going anywhere, absolutely. So that will make things a little bit easier for me to a certain extent. Put this away. So what do I think? For what it costs, I think per tub is around about £4, something like that. Now, all boils down to how busy you are, how much space you have for these containers. Yes, it is a good idea to keep things in place rather than just sort of leaving bit there, leaving bit there, leaving bit there, coming back, and then guess what? You mixed up the screws. There was a lot of issues about long screw damage and things like that. So having a box like this with multiple phones opened at the same time on the desk. This will organise things a lot better, to my opinion. So definitely a thumbs up for this. I bought 5 of them because I normally buy a lot of these, you know, anything actually. When I'm happy with it, I'm going to buy a bulk of them basically. And to set an example, I'll show you what I mean when I buy a lot of them. Right, so on my initial on my previous video, I bought these little clips, them, and I was quite happy with them. So what I did is I ended up ordering another 12. So in effectively, I've got about 22 clips here basically, because I was happy with them. So they will be put to good use. Let me sort of. Okay. Right. Okay, so that is excellent. I'm quite happy with it. Yes, I am going to leave it in the box. I'll use this. Let me sort of see what I can throw in there as well. I can throw in these shield here. Anything else that belongs to the phone that I might have lying around? Nope, I do not have anything else, absolutely nothing. So let me get rid of this multimeter, because what it is that's becoming a bit of a nuisance. Yep, so there we go. So that can go back in wherever I want to put it. I can put it there and just come back to it after. Particularly if you don't have parts, you can then, you know, order the parts and just sling it in the box, wait for the parts to come. Once the parts arrived, take it out of the box and just crack on with it basically. Right, okay, so that's that for now. I believe, yes it is. Okay, I'll see you later.